So question 18 is about the coordinate geometry, and then the question is saying that we have 3 points. That's going to be A, B, C, and the points is going to be 1, 11, 5, 2, and 38. So you can try to draw a rough triangle here. And then we have the point A, B, C. So A is going to be 1, 11, B is 5, 2, C is 13, 8. And then that's for the first sentence. And then for the second sentence, they're saying that let P be a point such that AP, so starting from point A, and it's the median of the triangle ABC. So A should go into the point the line BC, and make that the BP is actually equal to PC. So we have a point here. This is P, such that the BP is actually equal to PC. So I have BP equal to PC. So in other words, we can say that P is actually the midpoint. So this is the midpoint of BC. So now the question is asking to find out the equation of straight line such that passes through A and P. So the main thing of this question is to change the sentence into some pictures and to understand what you need to find. So that's the main thing I want you guys to know how to do it. And so now we want to find out the equation of straight line. So which means that for equation of straight line, I need to think about the equation of straight line, which means that into write them in form of y equal to mx plus c. So which means that we can either have the slope or we have to have the 2 points coordinate. So now we have the point A and point P here. So P is the midpoint of BC, isn't it? So we can try to find out the average of B and C. So now we can say that P is actually equal to 5 plus 13 divided by 2, together with 2 plus 8 divided by 2. So now we can say that this is going to be 18 divided by 2 giving you 9, and then 2 plus 8 giving you 10 divided by 2, which is 5. So the coordinates of P, which is actually 9, 5. So now we actually get the point A, 1, 11, and P, which is 9, 5. So now we can first of all find out the slope, isn't it? So the slope of AP is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So that's going to be equal to 11 minus 5 divided by 1 minus 9. So 11 minus 5 divided by 1 minus 9 equal to 6 divided by minus 8, giving you negative 3 over 4. So now we get the slope. And then we can say that we have the y is equal to negative 3 over 4x plus c. So the straight line is actually like this. And then as this straight line AP passing through this point A as well, which means that we can substitute this coordinate into the equation here. So now we can just substitute A 1, 11 into this equation. So we just replace the y by 11 and replace the x by 1. So we have 11 is equal to negative 3 over 4x. The x should be equal to 1, and then plus the c. So use your calculator, the c should be equal to 47 over 4. So now we replace this c to this straight line equation, so that we have y is equal to negative 3 over 4x plus 47 over 4. So we're not yet finished because the question here is giving you in a general form. So it's not in terms of y to mx plus c. So now we can just times the 4 to both sides. So we have 4y equal to negative 3x plus 47. And then we just put all of the things to the left-hand side. So it becomes 3x plus 4y. This is plus, moving to the left becomes minus 47 equal to 0. So the answer should be equal to B.